Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest economic and political news that shapes our lives. Today, we're diving into how former President Donald Trump is making waves by pressuring the Federal Reserve for interest rate cuts and what it could mean for the mortgage market and real estate. On May 29, 2025, Trump summoned Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell to the White House. Trump's message? He wants the Fed to slash interest rates, arguing that current rates are putting the U.S. at a competitive disadvantage. The mortgage rate for a 30-year fixed loan is now 6.89%, the highest since early February, causing real estate to slow down and buyers to hesitate. Trump believes that cutting rates will stimulate the housing market and make it easier for people to afford homes again. But here's the kicker. Despite inflation dropping to 2.3% in April, pretty close to the Fed's 2% target, Jerome Powell didn't budge. He made it clear that the Fed won't be bullied into making rate cuts just because of political pressure. Powell said that any decisions will be data-driven, meaning they'll look at real numbers, not political drama. This showdown between Trump and Powell is a reminder that the Federal Reserve is supposed to be independent, free from the whims of politics. So what does all of this mean for you and the real estate market? First, this kind of political pressure can shake market confidence. If people think the Fed might cave to political demands, it could cause volatility in mortgage rates and housing prices. Second, even though Powell stood firm, the fact that a former president is calling for cuts puts extra heat on the Fed's next moves. Buyers and sellers are watching closely. While there's no immediate cut, this drama might fuel speculation and short-term uncertainty. For now, mortgage rates are likely to stay elevated around 6 to 7% in 2025. Sellers might have to drop prices, while buyers hold off for better deals. We'll be keeping an eye on how this political tension unfolds and whether it actually nudges the Fed's tone in the future. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on how politics and economics affect your wallet. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the Fed should cut rates? Let's get the conversation started.